What about this?
3,
Very good. What about this?
4, 5,
Mm-hmm.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7,
Mm-hmm.
8, 9, 10.
Okay, now this is the most difficult for you. What number is this?
2,
No.
2,
No. It's number 11.
11,
Okay, what's next to number 10?
11,
Very good. Now what's next to number 11? Sit properly.
11,
No, what's next to number 11 is we have number?
11,
No, it's number 12. Again, what's next to number 11?
11.
Yeah, this is number 11. Sit properly, monkey, tiger. Okay, now, what number is this? 11. No, that's number 12. Again, what number is this?
11.
No, this is number 11. So next to number 11, we have number 12. Okay? Monkey, monster. Oh, sit properly, right? Tiger will sit properly. Only monkey and monster will not listen to teacher. Are you a monkey or a monster? Give me 5, Jenny. Of course, you're a tiger, right? Okay, so what number is this? Number 12. No. If you will not listen, you are a monkey. Okay, you're a tiger, right? What number is this? 12. No, this is number? What number is this? 12.